What if I told you you can have a remote job offer on your laptop this week, making $15 to $25 an hour in your pajamas while your friends are sweating at a drive-thru?
Welcome to the Bob Nevin Careers Channel. We're happy to have you here. Get ready to learn something new. Let's do this.
I'm going to show you exactly how right now in about 10 minutes or so. And before we start, every link and every company I mention is in the description below. Free and organized, ready to click. So let's go. But first, 3 things that are not going to make you money this summer. Number 1, online surveys. 45 minutes of your life for 47 cents. Number 2, Fiverr, Upwork, Skillshare, those things. Great for experts, but useless if nobody knows you actually exist. Number 3, just start a YouTube channel. Hey, that's a marvelous idea. Very novel, too. Not. Sure. Film for 3 years or so. Praise something goes viral. Please, sir, go viral. Please, please. Right. Very cool retirement plan. All right. Everything I'm about to show you is absolutely free and free to apply. Real companies, real pay, and what is that thing crossing my desk? Ugh. Oh, that's a bad job offer. Real pay, any age, 4 jobs, 10 minutes, let's go. Job number 1, online tutoring. Now, hold on. It's not what you think. $15 to $50 or more per hour. And here's what you need to qualify. You have to have passed a class. That's it. Survived algebra, tutor algebra. Make it through English. Help a 9th grader with their essay. Speak 2 languages. You're printing money, baby. And here's why AI will never take this away from you. When a kid is panicking at 10 p.m. the night before a test, we've all been there cramming for that thing. They don't want a chatbot. They want you. Every platform on this list is in the description down below. Some hire as young as 13. Pick one and apply today. Oh, job number 2 pays even more, and 0 people your age are actually doing it. So keep watching. Real quick. Your friends right now? Yeah, they're standing over a deep fryer somewhere at a fast food restaurant, whatever. 94 degrees. Shoes smell like French fries. Manager is basically 19 years old and not doing any of these jobs and absolutely losing it over the dipping sauce placement. You're about to be on your laptop in your house getting paid. Let's keep going. Job number 2, UX, Usability Tester. Now, I know it may sound a little nerdy, but pay, that's it. Close attention, because most people your age have literally never heard of this. $10 to $16 per test? Oh, yeah. Companies spend millions building apps and websites before they release anything. They need real people like you and like me to use it and to tell them what's broken and what makes no sense. That's you and me. It's definitely not that thing that crossed my desk. That other job flipping hamburgers at the local hamburgers joint. Each test takes 15 to 45 minutes, then pay you $10 to $60. Get this, per test. Some longer studies up to $150. Did I just say $150? Yes, I did. 3 tests Saturday morning, done by noon. 60 to 180 bucks. Whole afternoon is still yours. And why AI can't do this? Because the entire point is capturing real human confusion. You cannot fake. What? You can't do it. That reaction is worth money. Your reaction is worth money. All of these are in the description. Some have options for under 18. Check the age requirements before you apply. That's important. The next one, it's the most ironic job that has ever existed, and I need you to hear this. Okay, 2 jobs left. The last one is completely AI proof for a reason that's going to break your brain. Stay with me.
Hello?
Hello? Job number 3 is calling. Before you picture standing at a register, stop. This is you. Picture this. Laptop. Home. Answering chat messages or emails for a company. Your schedule. For 14 to 19 bucks per hour with paid training. Yes, they pay you to train before you even start. Why can't AI do this? Customers are emotional. Anything messy gets routed to a human, and that human could be you. All of this is in the description. When you apply, lead with your typing speed, and if you don't know what your typing speed, type for 1 minute and go ahead and use your phone with a stopwatch. Pretty much it. Okay, you know how AI keeps getting smarter? Better answers, more accurate results, less completely wrong information. You know, the reason that keeps happening is because real humans are consistently and constantly reviewing what AI produces and rating whether it's accurate, helpful, and safe. Yeah. That human is getting paid $14 to $20 an hour. Remote, flexible hours, no experience required. And here's the best part that's going to break your brain. You cannot be replaced by AI in a job that exists to evaluate AI. These are called AI quality raters or search engine evaluators. You review search results and AI-generated content and rate whether it's accurate and helpful. It's remote, your hours, no experience needed. Okay, every company that is on this list is in the description, as I mentioned. One of them is, get this, guys, one of them is an actual Google contractor, for real. They give you a short qualification test first, but, and this is a but, they give you the study guide before the test. Read it, pass it, get hired. Quick, 30 seconds, important. Any job that asks you to pay to start, scam. Did someone DM you on Instagram about a job? Run. Every company that I showed you today is on their official website or on Indeed. Nobody is asking you to buy anything. Under 18, involve a parent. Legit companies require it anyways. That means they're real. That's a good thing. Last thing, picture this. It's August. Summer is almost over. School is about to come back like a final boss. There are 2 versions of you. Version 1, scrolled all summer. Picked up a few shifts, going back to school exactly where you started. Version 2 spent 30 minutes this weekend applying to one or more of these jobs and got hired, worked remote all summer, made real money, and built real skills. Never once smelled like French fries or burned their skin or whatever. Same summer, different choice. The only thing between you and one of these jobs is the application. All the links, like I mentioned before 1,000 times, are down there in the description. Go use them right now. So, 3 things more. 1, description. All the links are down there. Free. Go there now. 2, comment which job you're applying to. I read every one. 3, send this to one or more friends who are about to waste their entire summer in a paper hat flipping something. They'll thank you. I'm Bob, and we'll see you in the next one. Take care.
Thanks for watching. Please remember to smash that like button, subscribe and turn notifications on and share with everyone you know. Also leave a comment down below. Say hi or ask a question. Again, thanks for watching and see you in our next video. Cheers.